Start by pumping up a 260 pink balloon. First, start with a pinch twist. Then make a loop twist. Then an 8cm bubble. Another loop twist. And another loop twist for the two legs. Now another 8cm bubble back to where we started, and another 8cm bubble back down to the legs. And finally, one more 8cm bubble back to the top. Now pump up a 160 black balloon. If you don't have 160, you can also use a 260. Tie the black balloon to the pinch twist from where we started off with. Make a 2cm bubble pink balloon and a 2cm bubble from the black balloon and tie them together. Make another 2cm bubble on the black balloon and tie it back to the pinch twist. Do the same thing on the other side. With the black balloon, make two 2cm bubbles and tie back to the pinch twist. Using the pink balloon, tie it back to the pinch twist. To finish off the other side, make a 2cm bubble, wrap it around the black part, and then another 2cm bubble to bring it back to the pinch twist. For your pink balloon, if you only have a little bit left, feel free to just leave it at the back, or if you have a long tail, feel free to cut it off and tie a knot. Adjust the ears to make sure they look symmetrical. With the black balloon, you can now cut it off . Feel free to tie it down to the legs to give it a bit of tension to make sure Jigglypuff is a bit rounder. Adjust all the pieces to make sure Jigglypuff looks neat and symmetrical. Now to draw the face, grab a black marker. First start by drawing the hair. Then draw the eyes. And a smile. Use a red marker to fill in the mouth. And a green marker to fill in the eyes. Then grab a white paint marker to give the eye highlights and the pupils. Finally, grabbing the black marker again and give the outline of the eyes. It's so easy. And now you're all done.
Well, I have a Balloon Jigglypuff. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.